day of I Love to Read Month. But this is One Read, Two Read, I Read, You Read, I Love to Read Month. And our theme is obviously Dr. Seuss reading. All right, we're going to have a lot of different activities during the month. And it's going to start with, well, not start, but can you guess who? Last year, we kind of had an interruption of the month, so we didn't get to have our big reveal for Can You Guess Who's Reading. But we will do it again this year, and hopefully we will have that big reveal to guess which teacher is reading which book. And all of those pictures will go up in the canteen, so when you have time, you can check them out and try and figure out who is who. All right, we are also going to have a scavenger hunt for Dr. Seuss's hat. The cat in the hat. That's going to happen during the month. You'll hear more about it when it's time. During the whole month, we will have a book review contest. You can earn house points by reading a book, filling out a form to share what you liked about that book, and we will put that up in the library during the month. And you can earn house points for every book review you give. So if you loved a book recently and you want to share it with others, think about that, and we will get you that piece of paper. Like I said, house points go for completed book reviews. Okay. We also have reading buddies. This year is going to be a little bit different. We're going to have different reading buddies each week, so we'll get to see lots of different classes. But we'll definitely be trying to pair people up for fun and interesting ways. And we, of course, will have some reading goals. Your reading goal might be different than somebody else's reading goal. We will have a class goal, and at the end of the month, when we've reached all our goals, we will have a celebration. And there'll be more about that later. Then the last thing we're going to make sure we do, we always have a spirit week during I Love to Read Month. So our different spirit days, on Monday, we will have Slow Moving Monday. There'll be pajamas. And we'll have Tuesday is Top Hat Tuesday. You can wear any kind of a hat you want. It can be a Dr. Seuss hat. It can be a baseball cap. Anything. On Wednesday, we will have Wacky Wednesday. So this is mix and match clothes. This is something you would not normally wear. It's going to be silly and fun. On Thursday, we have Theodore Stu Day. And that's when you can dress as a Dr. Seuss character or any character from a book that you love. So if you loved reading Where the Mountain Meets the Moon and you want to dress as one of those characters, you can do that. If you love Elephant Piggy, you can try and dress up as Elephant or Piggy. Or you can be the Cat in the Hat. Or you can be the Lorax. Anything you want. All right, on Friday, Funny Food Friday. Now, we're not actually going to dress up as food. We're going to take this as dressing in green for Green Eggs and Ham, because that's one of the best Dr. Seuss books, and it's very fun. So on Friday, we'll all dress in our best green. All right, now, every year to start our I Love to Read Month, we try and have the teachers come up and read a story.
The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all that cold, cold, wet day. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we two. And I said, how I wish we had something to do. Too wet to go out and too cold to play ball. So we sat in the house. We did nothing at all. So all we could do was to sit, 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 sit. And we did not like it, not one little bit. Bump. And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked, then we saw him step in on the mat. We looked, and we saw him, the cat in the hat. And he said to us, why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet, and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny. I know some good games we could play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the hat. A lot of good tricks. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day. But our fish said, "No, no, no, no. Make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat you do not want to play. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out." "Now, now, have no fear, said the cat. "My tricks are not bad," said the cat in the hat. "Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Fish." "Put me down," said the fish. "Then this is no fun at all." "Put me down," said the fish. "I do not wish to fall." "Have no fear," said the cat. "I will not let you fall. I will hold you up high as I stand on a ball, with a book on one hand and a cup on my hat. But that is not all I can do," said the cat. Look at me now," said the cat, "with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. I can hold up 2 books, I can hold up the fish, and a little toy ship, and some milk on a dish. And look, I can hop up and down on the ball. And that is not all. Oh no, that is not all. Look at me now. It is fun to have fun, but you have to know how. I can hold up the cup and the milk and the cake. I can hold up these books and the fish on a rake. I can hold up the toy ship and a little toy man. And look, with my tail I can hold a red fan. I can fan with the fan as I hop on the ball, but that is not all. Oh no, that is not all." That is what the cat said. Then he fell on his head. He came down with a bump from up there on the ball, and Sally and I, we saw all the things fall. And our fish came down too. He fell into a pot. He said, "I do not like this. Oh, I do not." "This is not a good game," said our fish as he lit. "No, I do not like it, not one little bit." "Now look what you did," said the fish to the cat. "Now look at this house. Look at this. Look at that. You sank our toy ship, sank it deep in the cake. You shook up our house and you bent our new rake. You should not be here when our mother is not. You get out of this house," said the fish in the pot. "But I like it here. Oh, I like it a lot," said the cat in the hat to the fish in the pot. "I will not go away. I do not wish to go. And so," said the cat, so, "I will show you another good game that I know." And then he ran out, and then, fast as a fox, the cat in the hat came back in with a box, a big red wood box. It was shut with a hook. "Now look at this trick," said the cat. "Take a look." Then he got up on top with the tip of his hat. "I call this game Fun in a Box," said the cat. "In this box are 2 things. I will show them to you now. You will like these 2 things," said the cat with a bow. "I will pick up the hook. You will see something new. 2 things, and I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. These things will not bite you. They want to have fun." Then out of the box came Thing 2 and Thing 1. And they ran to us fast. They said, "How do you do? Would you like to shake hands with Thing 1 and Thing 2? And Sally and I did not know what to do. So we had to shake hands with Thing 1 and Thing 2. We shook their 2 hands, but our fish said, "No, no, those things should not be in this house. Make them go. They should not be here when your mother is not. Put them out, said the fish in the pot. "Have no fear, little fish," said the cat in the hat. "These things are good things," and he gave them a pat. "They are tame, oh so tame. They have come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet, wet, wet day." "Now, here is a game that they like," said the cat. "They like to fly kites," said the cat in the hat. "No, not in the house," said the fish in the pot. "They should not fly kites in the house. They should not. Oh, the things they will bump. Oh, the things they will hit. Oh, I do not like it, not one little bit." Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall. We saw those 2 things bump their kites on the wall. Bump, 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 down the wall in the hall. The Thing 2 and Thing 1, they ran up, they ran down. On the string of one kite, we saw our mother's new gown. Her gown with the dots that are pink, white, and red. Then we saw one kite bump on the head of her bed. Then those things ran about with big bumps, jumps, and kicks, and with hops and big thumps and all kinds of bad tricks. And I said, "I do not like the way that they play. If mother could see this, oh, what would she say?" Then our fish said, "Look, look!" And our fish shook with fear. "Your mother is on her way home. Do you hear? Oh, what will she do to us? What will she say? Oh, she will not like it to find us this way." "So do something fast," said the fish. "Do you hear? I saw her, your mother. Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing 2. So, as fast as I could, I went after my net, and I said, with my net, I can get them, I bet. I bet with my net, I can get those things yet. Then I let down my net, it came down with a plop, and I had them at last. Those two things had to stop. Then I said to the cat, now you do as I say. You pack up those things and you take them away. Oh dear, said the cat, you did not like our game. Oh dear, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Then he shut up the things in the box with the hook, and the cat went away with a sad kind of look. That is good, said the fish. He has gone away. Yes, but your mother will come. She will find this big mess. And this mess is so big and so deep and so tall, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all. And then, who was back in the house? Why, the cat. Have no fear of this mess, said the cat in the hat. I always pick up all my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know. Then we saw him pick up all the things that were down. He picked up the cake and the rake and the gown and the milk and the strings and the books and the dish and the fan and the cup and the ship and the fish. And he put them away. Then he said, that is that. And then he was gone with the tip of his hat. Then our mother came in, and she said to us too, did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do? And Sally and I did not know what to say. Should we tell her the things that went on there that day? Should we tell her about it? Now, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
There will be one more event during I Love to Read Month. We will get to have a book fair. Oh, we're finally able to invite a book fair to come in, and we will be able to purchase books for your home and for our classrooms as well. So we're very excited about that. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope you do a lot of great reading, and we are excited about I Love to Read Month and Dr. Seuss and all of it. So thank you so much. You've been a great audience, and it is time to quietly, carefully,